Hello everyone, today I want to talk about Layer Zero. And what about Layer Zero? I want to talk about airdrops. During this bear market, nothing's really happening, no real gains aside from some projects, and I think airdrops are probably one of the best ways to make some gains. So today I'm going to talk about Layer Zero. But before I talk about Layer Zero and how to get these free airdrops, if you find any of the content here of any value, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified when I come out with new content. And if you don't want to do either of those, at least hit the like button for me. It'd be really appreciated. So now let's get into it. So as we talked about, we're in the bear market and you see here it's a sea of red. Bitcoin for some reason cannot crack that 20,000 mark. ETH's been at 1,300. Basically no real movement. It's a bear market. Everything's going sideways, but still a good time to invest in your favorite projects. We're getting them at a good sale right now. And in 2 years or a year and a half, when things take off, you'll be happy that you DCA'd into your favorite projects. Now, what is Layer Zero? Layer Zero is an omni-chain interoperable protocol designed for lightweight message passing across chains. Basically, it's a dimension of crypto bridging with the goal to connect all EVM chain and unify liquidity pools. So social media, I'm not going to take a deep dive like I normally do into some of these projects, but just a quick high level view here. Social media, they have about 119 followers on Twitter, 119,000 to be exact. And then on Discord, they have about 4,700, close to 4,800 members on Discord. So still a small project. They haven't launched yet. So, they have some following there. Some of the investors of note, we have FTX, Coinbase, and Sequoia Capital. As far as their ecosystem goes, it's still growing, but here it's kind of illustrated what they have going on. I'm going to talk about a couple of these later on. Website right now, no token yet. It's anticipated speculation that they're going to have the airdrop pretty soon, which is why I'm making this video. But I took a look at the website. The white paper is listed on there. And it seems pretty official to me. If you guys are interested in me looking at this project and giving my viewpoint on this one, please let me know in the comments. But as far as the website goes, it looks the part. So step one on how to get these airdrops. What do? So step one, you want to vote on Stargate Finance. Now Stargate Finance, interestingly enough, has over 500 million total value locked already. It's Layer Zero's first protocol. And believe it or not, it's one of the projects that PayPal, their Web3 projects that they actually invested in. So I thought that was very interesting. So first you want to do is buy Stargate on an exchange. You can get that on Uniswap. Then you go to Stargate.finance stake, and then you can get started at something as low as $5, $10. So you stake that for voting power. And then you make sure that you vote on all the protocols or on most protocols to stay active. Because once you start doing that, then you'll basically be a DAO member. Here is what the page looks like once you get into the Stargate website. And, you voting power there, you just stake and then just make sure that you're active. Next, start, interacting with some of the projects that's on Layer Zero. You have Angel Protocol. I put the website there. Radiant Capital, that's there on Twitter. Cedro Finance, Cashmere Labs. You want to be active with these projects. And not only does it help with the, Layer Zero airdrop, but also if these projects launch their individual coins, the fact that you've been active on it and they have some airdrops as well, you might get some additional airdrops. So I think that's an added plus. Then also step three, you want to use the Aptos Bridge. And on their website here, it basically, shows what that's all about. Powered by Layer Zero. And then here, basically you connect your wallet. And what you want to do is you want to move your stables or whatever coin it is, ETH or Matic, back and forth between the bridge and your wallet just to show that it's being active. And that's another way of getting the airdrop. So why are airdrops important? Most recent, Aptos had their release last week. And as you can see here, you got free coins for if you had some free airdrops at Aptos. The high was $10. So let's say you got 100 of these airdrops and you got them for free. That's a good little profit, just for you, maybe investing $20, $30, $40, whatever your budget is, but that's free money. Free money can help you diversify your portfolio, get into a project real early that you think has promise, or even help you get gains later on on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the things that you really care about. So step 4 would be using a USDC X layer 0 bridge. So here you can transfer 10 or 20 from the Jewelry testnet to AVAX. And that's the website there where you can do it. And specifically, a tip is you can use the faucet to swap ETH to USDC on the Jewelry testnet. And I have an illustration of that just in case you get confused. You can always look back at this, but that's the faucet that you need to use in order to complete that transfer. Now, this is not financial advice. This is just me talking out loud, and just, if I am going to participate in this airdrop, I just mark this down so I can follow along as I move through the process. And I will be trying to get the airdrop of layer 0. So step 4, you want to be organized, stay consistent. Use some type of systems, make sure that you are actually staying active, keeping organized. Okay, saying now you have to, vote on this. Now you have to interact with this, just to make sure you're doing everything so you can secure that bag, secure the airdrops. So for example, I have November 1st, buy and stake, Stargate. November 3rd, check for voting dates and set reminder to vote. Number 6, transfer $10 to Angel Protocol. November 10th, 15th, and the 20th, move 5 USDC from Aptos Bridge to my wallet, and then back and forth. So conclusion, airdrops are free money. Right now, there's no activity going on in the crypto market. It's not a bull market right now. So you just got to find things to keep things exciting, keep your brain working, and you learning about new projects. So as well as DCAing into your favorite projects, continue to look and see what else is going on in the crypto world. Start doing your own research. Look and see what up and coming gems you can find. But right now, airdrops are a good way to fund your portfolio. It's a good way to make gains during the bear market, a good entry point for strong projects. So SUI has one speculative ETH, should be happening sometime this year, early next year. That's a good airdrop to get into. That's, they're billed as a Solana killer. If you get into that one early, it probably have the same results as Aptos. Although Aptos in the beginning had the $10 high, now it's, it's going down a little bit, but it's still around the $6, $7 mark. So I think it's still a good free airdrop. And also you can flip those gains from these airdrops. If you want to gain on BTC, the profit you make from these flips, you can get in more ETH, get a bigger position in Bitcoin. So it's all positive. So guys, I hope you like the content. And if you do, please let me know in the comments. I plan to make another 2 of these, especially SUI. I'm very interested in that one, as well as Arbitrum. So guys, be safe. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.